Namaskar, myself Swin Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. Today I am going to present weekly weather review and outlook for next 2 weeks. As we know, last week the monsoon was active over the northwest adjoining central India and East India and Northeast India. It was subdued over the Peninsular India and West Coast. Now let's we start weekly weather review. Here in this slide we see the synoptic features of during the last 1 week. The monsoon trough was near normal position till 9th of August and then was north of its normal position. And last week low pressure area was over northwest India and it shifted to the central north in Madhya Pradesh during 6th and 7th and its remnant as a cyclone circulation persisted over the same region till 11th August, which causes heavy to very heavy rainfall 4-5 days over the East Rajasthan, MP, South Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and one day gave extremely heavy rainfall also over Madhya Pradesh. And the one cyclone circulation was over South Bangladesh and West and adjoining West Bangladesh on 6 and 7. Due to this, West Bengal also experienced heavy rainfall 1 or 2 days during the week. A north-south trough runs from Bihar to north coastal Andhra Pradesh on 11th and 12th. Another cyclone circulation laid over southwest Rajasthan neighborhood from 9th August to today. In this slide, we talk about the cloud pattern inside 3D animation and IMD-GFS observed rainfall. In the slide left hand side picture shows the cloud motion. It shows good convection over the MP, East Rajasthan, Northwest India, and as well as East India and Northeast India. And the right hand side is the MD observed rainfall from 5th to 11th August. It also shows some red patches on 7th, 8th over the West MP and adjoining East Rajasthan. Heavy to very heavy rain also experienced in this scenario. And heavy to very heavy with extremely heavy fall also occurred over Assam Meghalaya on 10th and over West Madhya Pradesh on 7th. And heavy to heavy rainfall was over Assam Meghalaya, South Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim, East Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan, East Madhya Pradesh, and over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, coastal Karnataka, and GWB, Bihar, West UP, Uttarakhand. In this slide, we talk about observed rainfall in centimeter during the week. Some amount is there as GWB, Diamond Harbour 14 centimeter, Uttarakhand, Joligarh 11 centimeter, Rishikesh 11 centimeter, and on 6 GWB also experienced heavy rainfall 10 centimeter over Damdam, East Rajasthan, Kanpur 17 centimeter, and many more. Is 7th August it shows Assam Meghalaya over heavy to very heavy rainfall, Tripura also Bihar 10 centimeter, and 8th also heavy to very heavy over Arunachal, South Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, East Madhya Pradesh, and coastal Karnataka. 9th Assam Meghalaya 16 centimeter, East Uttar Pradesh, Lahore 15 centimeter, and many more. And 10th of October, Assam and Meghalaya experienced extremely heavy rainfall as Cherrapunji received 23, Masinab 25 centimeter, and many more. And in this slide, we are talking about last 1 week rain features and during the same season rain feature. As we see, this is the shows departure of the rain, actual rain. In the left hand side, red color shows the deficient of the rainfall during the week. Here we can see 12 subdivision was deficit and large deficit was 10 subdivision. Overall, we see the last 1 week in country as a whole, we experience minus 35% departure from normal rainfall. And now we're talking about the seasonal rainfall on the right hand side of the figure. The right side of the figure, the red color shows 10, 9 division. Jammu Kashmir, Saurashtra and Kutch, Gujarat state, Lakshadweep, Kerala, Odisha or northeast state of the country has deficit amount of rainfall during the season from 1st June to 11th August. And overall we see the season wise till today minus 6% departure in the rainfall country as a whole. And now we are talking about the 2 days scenario. Today synoptic features are the monsoon trough is near north of its normal position, which cause good rainfall activity over foothills of Himalayas and northeast states. One cyclonic circulation over Bihar adjoining East UP and a north-south trough from this system. A cyclonic circulation over Gujarat and neighborhood. A cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and neighborhood. Now, extended outlook of the cyclogenesis from 13 to 26. In this slide, we can clearly show no cyclogenesis is likely over the North Indian Ocean during the next 2 weeks. As we know, the monsoon season is not a cyclonic season. Now we are talking about the rainfall forecast during next 2 weeks. In the first pictures, we can see clearly in during the 1 week, northwest India, especially Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, West UP, Jammu Kashmir is experiencing low rainfall activity. And the right hand side, the anomaly also shows that is less than minus 0.5 rainfall activity over the northwest India, adjoining central India, west coast, Gujarat, and the Odisha GWB, as well as some parts of northeast India. But it goods for rainfall activity in week 2. Here we can see the rainfall activity will likely to increase during the week 2. In this right hand side we can see its positive anomaly is cover almost country except Western Himalayan region, some part of East Coast or East India and Rajasthan. This is good. The rainfall activity likely to increase in week 2. And now we are talking the weather warning for next 5 days. As I told today, the monsoon trough is near normal north of its normal position and is likely to during next 1 week is causes good rainfall amount over the East UP, Bihar, Northeast and lower level strong southwesterly wind also prevailing over from Bay Bengal to the northeast India during next 3-4 days, which cause good amount of rainfall over northeast India during next 3-4 days. and then it decrease thereafter. As well as in this picture we can show day 1, day 2, day 3. Some activity over only East India or Northeast India and adjoining East UP up to day 3. Later on it decrease over the country. Now we are talking about the rainfall forecast for week 1. As I told, the monsoon trough lies its normal position. It's north of its normal position, but western end of the monsoon trough is very likely to remain north of its normal position during next 1 week. However, its eastern end to likely to shift gradually southward from the 15 August onward, which cause good amount rainfall over Odisha GWB during last of this week. Another cyclone circulation over Bihar and neighborhood, which is likely to persist during next 48 hours and become less thereafter. A strong lower level southwesterly wind from Bay Bengal to northeast India are likely to continue during next 3-4 days. And a cyclone circulation is likely to form over west central and adjoining northwest Bay of Bengal around 15 August, and it may lead to formation of low pressure area over the same region during subsequent 48 hours, which gives good rainfall over the East India. Now, under the influence of our meteorological conditions, we can expect widespread rainfall activity with isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall likely over northeast India and some Himalayan West Bengal during next 3-4 days and reduction thereafter. Isolated extremely heavy fall also very likely over Assam Meghalaya on today and tomorrow and over Himalayan West Bengal on today, that is 12th August 2021. And fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with isolated heavy fall very likely over continue to over East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar during next 3 days and reduction thereafter. Isolated very heavy fall very likely over East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar on today, that is 12th August. Then scattered to fairly widespread rainfall very likely over Western Himalayan region during the week. Isolated heavy rainfall is also likely over Himachal and Uttarakhand during 13 to 15. And now, due to the formation of low, fairly widespread rainfall is likely to over Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh, likely to experience good rainfall from 17, 18, 19. And isolated heavy fall very likely over Odisha during 15 to 18, over CAP during 15 to 17, over Chhattisgarh during 16 to 18, and over Telangana and Vidarbha on 8 August, 18th August. Isolated heavy to very heavy fall also very likely over Odisha on 16th August, and subdued rainfall very likely over rest part of the country during next 5 days and increase thereafter except northwest India and Gujarat state, as I already told. And now we came in rainfall for next 2 week, week 2. As I already told, this is good. The rainfall is likely to increase most part of the country in week 2 compare week 1. And monsoon trough also likely near normal position during the most days of the week. Causes fairly widespread rainfall activity with the isolated heavy fall very likely over most part of the southern peninsula and central India during the week. Light, moderate, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall likely over rest part of the country except most part of West Himalayan region, Gangetic West Bengal and Andaman Nicobar. Overall normal to abnormal rainfall activity likely over the country except most part of the Western Himalayan region, GWB, and Andaman Nicobar, where below normal rainfall activity is likely. Now, thank you. So, for latest update and warning, visit our app, Mosam app for location specific and forecast and warning, Damni app for lightning alert, and Meghdut app for agro advisory services. And including this, you can follow us IMD website mosam.imd.gov.in and on many social media platforms as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blog as well as. Thank you very much.